Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Today we're going to be doing a driveway resurfacing. This driveway is pretty rough. It's the actual surface of it has a lot of rocks, and so we've discussed possibly doing a second coat if he wants to do a second coat, and that'll be we'll judge that after we do the first coat. But it's just real rocky, and just over it's probably 30-40 years old. It's got a lot of cracks, as you can see. We're going to chisel out all these cracks. Today we're basically, see how this is low, we're going to float this out. We're going to pressure wash and clean that wall. We've got all these cracks and different things. We've got a pretty big space over here. We've got these major cracks. You can see down through there's a pretty large crack that's in between the wall and the actual driveway. So we're going to resurface all the way up to the carport. And so here we go. You can see how this is pretty major through here, where all this is pretty wide. It's almost about 3 inches wide right there. And there's a pretty major crack right through here also. You can see it is. So basically we're going to resurface this whole area, and we appreciate you watching our videos. I'll just say this is kind of, all right, here we go. So anyway, you can see this is pretty rough, but we're going to make it look a whole lot better. This is called driveway resurfacing. We have over 125 of them online, so just please continue watching this and you'll see a total transformation. Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Today we're doing another driveway resurfacing. Actually, we've already pressure washed and cleaned it. We've actually did all the cracks. Now we're about to apply the resurfacing material to it. This particular job is going to have a coloring mixed in, so it's going to be more of a black or charcoal coloring to kind of coincide with what the homeowners are wanting to do. So this is what it looks like. We've had lots of cracks. If you've seen it before, we've got a lot of buildups. We had some major cracks over here. Cleaned the wall. We had to fill this gap in all the way down on the wall. We had some buildups we had to do where the driveway had dropped. So as you can see, this driveway is pretty rough because it's about 50 years old. You can see up here where the water hasn't got to it as much as what it looked like right here. It used to be smooth, but over a period of time it's got more coarse. Now we've already discussed possibly doing a second coat if they want to do a second coat. A second coat does cost more money, but they'll judge that once we get through with it, and then in probably about a week or two, or as soon as we do it, it'll start to dry, and then they can tell more, and we can make a decision which way they want to go. So when we do patchwork on a driveway that's real rough, you cannot take a sponge and sponge it real smooth, because if you smooth the cracks out, then when we resurface it, you'll see the cracks even more. Because the driveway is rough, we had to actually just cut the mud and scrape off the top. You cannot make it real smooth because it'll stand out. We've done many of these, so I know what I'm talking about. So anyway, when we get through with this, you'll see a big difference. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I do have another one that we've done in the past, and God bless you so much. Okay guys, just wanted you to see what we're doing. Now, this right here is the coloring. It will lighten up. It's going to be a lot lighter than this, but even if it stayed like that, that would look good. It almost looked like asphalt, but we were mixing a little bit extra coloring in it because they did want it a little bit darker, but you can only get so dark with this, and that's it. But it will lighten up. I just wanted you to see what this looks like. It's a tremendous difference what we've done. And so you'll see more as I get through what it's going to look like. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We'll show this whole job after it dries for a few days, so you can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, guys, this is where I started at. Sun has not gotten on it because the sun's right there and we got trees everywhere, so it'll start to lighten up as the sun gets on it. This is what it looks like going down. Almost looks like asphalt. But it's going to dry a lot lighter than this. So just wanted to show you, sometimes it may not be quite as light, but this all varies just for the fact that this driveway was real rough. So we're probably going to have to do a second coat on it, but anyway, just want to show you what it looks like as of right now. Okay guys, just want to go ahead and show you this. We just got through doing this morning, and we're probably going to go ahead and put a second coat on it, but this is the first coat as of right now. We also did this stonework over here around this beautiful tree. We did the stonework right here. It flows really pretty with the house. And we did this beautiful flower bed and stonework all around this tree. We've got holes drilled in it, so it really does look good. Set the hoe, I mean it's actually really, really pretty. So I just wanted to show you kind of what we've done. And so this is the stone sidewalk that we've done, and it's looking beautiful. So we appreciate y'all watching our videos. If you want flower beds like this, hey, we could do that for you too. We appreciate y'all so much for watching our videos. God bless. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. This right here is wet, so it's going to look a lot darker when it's wet. This almost looks like asphalt, but it's not. It's a coloring that I've got mixed in with the actual material. So this is a resurfacing with a black color mixed in. And so I just want to show you what it looks like. We're going to do a second coat on it. We're going to make it 100% better. Hi, hello everyone. We are doing a second coat on this job. So we have everything sitting here. We put a coloring in it. And this is the second coat. This is all kind of, we started up here. So we've already done pulled this whole area right here for a second coat. And you can see where we stopped at. So this is going to be really, really good. The first coat was great, but she said that she'd like to do a second coat after I had given her a price. I actually had told her she wanted to do a second coat, we could. So here we are, we're doing a second coat. This driveway was in really, really rough shape, but she's paying a little bit more money. Excuse me. Hope y'all can see better. There we go. She's paying a little more money to do a second coat. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We appreciate y'all watching our videos. This has got a charcoal coloring in it. All right, well, hello everyone. We just got through doing a second coat on this driveway. Second coat, it does cost more money, but most of the resurfacing jobs that we have, we've done mainly just one coat, but two coats can definitely help, especially on a driveway that's real coarse. This one was 50 years old. Never have they ever spent any money on it. So what happened was we had a lot of cracks, so we did a second coat on the cracks. So this is as it starts to dry, because I started here, I'm going that way. So this is actually going to lighten up. It looks real dark. It almost looks like asphalt, but it'll lighten up. It'll be a lot better than this like new color concrete. Mainly it's just got a coloring in it, you know. So all those things kind of blending in with the actual color. See how it almost matches the house? She's got a lot of these grays and darks going on. We did the stone sidewalk right there. We did the stonework around that beautiful tree. So just wanted to show you this. We'll show you what it looks like in a few days when I come back. We're doing some other work for this lady. Go to repairsforyourhome.com. We have over 150 videos of driveway resurfacing. Go to repairsforyourhome.com. Thank you, and give us a call.